Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Flamingo. I'm Jay, and today I have a Hobby Lobby Christmas craft haul to share with you. That's a tongue twister. That said, let's just get into this haul. So the first thing I'm going to start with is this advent calendar. I just think it's so cute, and I love that you can, make your own advent calendar any way you want. So I grabbed that, and it was half off of $16.99. Are these round, just blank Christmas ornaments. I got these because I wanted to add my own little pictures to them. And I got one pack, and I went back and got another one. And this was half off of $2.49. So you get 6 of them. That's not a bad deal. I have these little sticker candy canes, and I got these because there's pink in them. And I do have some candy cane stickers, but I don't have any pink ones. And I wish this was all pink, because my Christmas theme has pastel colors in it. But I should have gotten 2 of them because it was half off of $2.99, so $1.50. I should have gotten 2. But anyway, let's move along. So I grabbed these little felt gingerbread stickers, and I just think they're cute. That the girl has a bow in her hair and the boy has on a bow tie. And you get 2 of each. You get a boy, 2 boys, and 2 girls. So I just thought they were cute. I also grabbed these felt Santa hat stickers, and they were only $1 after they were on sale, so I didn't think that was a bad price. So and they come with a little pom-pom. Not like a felt pom-pom, but an actual pom-pom. I have these snowflakes patch. That's a tongue twister too. So next I have these snowflake patch stickers, and you only get 4 of them, and it was half off of $5.49. So these cost a little more than most of the stickers. I think these are the highest thing I got in this haul. So next I have these wreaths, and oh, look at the berries. One of the berries are coming undone, but I could just glue that back together. So these are half of $3.99, and yeah, all they are is just a little pipe cleaner they made a circle out of, and they added the holly berries and the holly leaves. But it's cheaper to buy it like this because it was $2. So if you buy the supplies, by the time you get done, it will cost more to make it. So I just got this to add to some of my Christmas crafting. Yeah. So I got this because it was cute. I have no plans for it. It was just cute. So these stickers were $3.99, and of course half off. But I mean, they're cute. They got that little 70s look to them. The disco ball. The snowman is holding a disco ball. And I like the lettering. Merry Christmas, Merry Magical and Bright. I like it. The Nutcracker. Like, even the Nutcracker, if you can see, he's kind of got that little 70s haircut. I love it. The tree, so I grabbed that one. I also got these gingerbread stickers, and it's just like a cute little gingerbread scene. I thought it was pretty. So I mean, if you make a card, this is a card right here in itself. It's just so cute. And you got like 3 little gingerbread people, Merry Christmas. Like, it's just so cute. So they have a little 3D effect to them. Just cute. Next I have these Christmas bows, and they're little tiny baby Christmas bows. Perfect to craft with. They are just so cute. I got each color. I just wish they had more pastel in the crafting section. They have a few. I would have liked these in pastel colors, but it's fine. I mean, these are still cute. Very, very cute. So I got these Nutcracker stickers. I was not paying attention when I grabbed them. I didn't realize that these are for, it says cold transfer sticker. So these look like they're for glass. And I was just thinking like a transfer sticker, like a rub-on transfer, but I didn't pay attention. So it says peel paper backing from design, apply design to surface in desired location, smooth out any bubbles, peel clear film from design. And it says use on glass, ceramic, wood. Okay, so I can use this on wood, so that's good. Plastic, metal, and coated paper. So you can use this on paper, not for fabric. And hand wash only. So if you made a glass with it, you couldn't put it in the dishwasher. But okay, that gives me more versatility with them, and I love the colors. I didn't know you could use this on paper and wood. I thought it was just for glass. And I love the colors, and I'm going to most likely use these in my Christmas decorating because these are my colors. So I got 1 sheet of those, and I also got some gingerbread with the pastels, and I think they're just so cute and doing all kinds of little shenanigans. Oh man, I should have got more. Well, I couldn't get more of these because this was the only sheet left of the gingerbread. But they are so cute. So cute. Last thing I have in this haul are these Christmas stickers. And they do have a lot of pastels in this bunch. And they're like foamy. Really, really cute. And I love the snowman in the mason jar. That is so cute. That is the end of this Christmas craft haul from Hobby Lobby. I really appreciate you for watching, especially if you made it to the end. And I will see you next time. Bye.